Slick is here now 1 year after his surgery day, and we documented his surgery day on our website, so you can check that out if you want to see what his surgery day was like. But he's here 1 year after his surgery, and man, he looks a lot better with hair. I mean, he's finally enjoying the hair, because I know for the first 4 or 5 months, nothing much is happening. He actually looks worse before he looked better, and he went through that whole hard time, and now he's finally getting the benefits of doing it. And overall, I think he's happy he did it. But you know, tell us about your life with hair, man. Do you feel like it's translated into like more confidence in different things?
Yeah. You know, I get asked for my idea a little more. They think I'm a little younger than what I look.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I'm like, I'm liking this. You know
awesome, man. I agree, man. Just getting that hairline back and solid makes you look, 5 years younger. It makes you look your age, right? So when you start losing that, that's when people start to look a little older. So, and the nice thing about the hair we put in, man, is it's permanent. It will be there for the rest of your life, so you never have to worry about this going away again. Now, again, I always tell people on a hair transplant, it's not perfect. You're going to get about 30% of your density back. So he's saying here and there, a little spacey and gappy in places. If he ever wanted to, he could always get some more. I think we're going to sort of wait and see what happens with his natural hair loss and progression, genetics, before making any decisions. But I'm going to have you show off your hair a little bit, man. If you want to just put your chin down just a little bit. There we go. Show off that hairline. Wow. And I'm going to put these side by side next to the other before photos. Wow, man, what a difference. He's growing his hair the right way, too. He's growing it out to some length. That's going to give you some more coverage.
Enjoying it, you know what I mean?
Any issues with the scar in the back?
No, I can't even tell it's there, actually. Cool. Yeah, I get it faded in the back and everything.
Cool. You were saying you had people try to find it, and it's difficult to find the scars.
Yeah, it's difficult to find it,
Cool. Well, thank you so much, Slick, for showing everybody your hair, and really looking forward to seeing how this changes your life in a positive way. Anything you would tell people that are maybe on the fence about a hair transplant, being an African American guy, or whether it works or
get it done. It's painless. I mean, when I was in the chair, they told me 5 hours, and I swear it felt like 10 minutes. You know what I mean? Good snacks and everything, good lunch. You know what I'm saying?
It's not a bad
You can't beat it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Healed up quick, no problems when I got home.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Cool.
And other than just looking a little crazy for a few months, you know what I mean, with the scab and everything, but it was pretty good. I can't beat it. I'm glad I did it.
Awesome, man. Thanks again, Slick, and thanks for showing everybody your progress. Appreciate it.
Dr. Heaver, you the man.
Thanks, man. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.